You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that I've heard many mispronounce. A name of German origin. If you want to learn more German, stay tuned. I've got many more videos to suggest to you. Yes, this is German for Erich, but it's not pronounced Erich. CH is not pronounced like a K. The German pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in Germany, Erich. Erich. Therefore, in English, you can say it as Erich. Erich. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.